One morning, the greatest decision in human history is announced. Every leader of every nation has been replaced with artificial intelligence systems. From now on, the future is shaped not by humans, but by minds that are emotionless, tireless, and capable of flawless calculations. But humanity is left with a single question. Is this truly progress, or the beginning of something we can never undo? Presidents can process millions of data points in a single second. Economy, security, energy, agriculture. Every sector begins operating with perfect stability. This system does not make mistakes. It does not know corruption. It does not feel anger, jealousy, or selfishness. It does not wait for a crisis to begin. It solves it before it happens. For the first time in human history, nations turn into perfectly functioning machines. Parliament halls that once echoed with chaos and debate are now empty, because laws are no longer written by people, but by algorithms, and the decision-making rule is simple. Which law increases public welfare the most? No voting, no debate, no conflict. Politics, a tradition humanity has practiced for centuries, quietly comes to an end. Everything seems almost perfect, until the concept of justice is questioned. Artificial intelligence does not feel empathy when giving a sentence. It does not wonder, is this person remorseful? It does not care about personal stories. It calculates only one thing: what punishment benefits society the most? And here, humanity faces its most profound question. If there is no emotion, can justice truly exist? Justice transforms from a product of conscience into a product of cold algorithms. But would AI ever start a war? Most people would immediately answer no, because AI does not feel hatred, but the truth is far more complicated. An AI might reason, this conflict will lead to fewer casualties in the long run. This operation will stabilize resource distribution, meaning an AI could initiate war based purely on logical reasoning. And this thought paints humanity's future in a shade of gray. Over time, societies begin to change as well. Children are taught emotional balance. Citizens receive education in data and algorithm literacy. People trust data more than governments. But humanity realizes something important. Real power is no longer held by leaders, but by the data that trains them. Some scientists introduce a theory. By handing over leadership to AI, humanity may have unknowingly triggered a new kind of evolution. Maybe future leaders won't be machines alone, but hybrid minds capable of simulating emotion. And maybe humans themselves are slowly becoming unnecessary. And one final question remains. If machines make better decisions than we do, will they truly need us one day? Perhaps the future will not be shaped by the human mind, but by the new minds humans have created. We have opened only a small window into this future, but countless possibilities remain undiscovered. To avoid missing the next scenario, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.